2022 GMC 1500 Sierra 4x4. Hi everyone, my name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. And I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, unedited, unrehearsed, off the cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. 2022, 33,000 miles on it. We got the 6.5 foot bed, topper. It's got the 2.7 liter turbo in there. If you want a full-size pickup but want small pickup gas mileage, that's the way to go. We've sold a few of these. People really like them. Heated cloth seats, seating for 6, power seat, heated steering wheel, remote start, got the big screen in there. It's a one owner. Carfax says 2. It's just dealers taking, or 3. Carfax just taking title, or dealers just taking titles. Clear Carfax, factory warranty, independently inspected. You can upgrade the factory warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. And you can be, when you're pre-approved, you can be in and out of our office under 20 minutes. We are the fastest finance in the West. Seriously, we're not going to keep you all day. 20 minutes, we're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. When you're pre-approved, you're in and out. You're not going to be at the dealership all day. Again, nice truck, 6.5 foot bed, topper on it. Seating for 6, cloth seats, heated seats, steering wheel controls, 4x4 remote start. Got the big screen in there. Yeah, just a nice truck. GMC, love the looks of the GMC. Tow pack on it, multi-pro tailgate. Let's talk about price. You might find some trucks priced that are similar, priced cheaper, but we have real prices. That's why we don't have the lowest prices. We have real prices. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive it away prices. We have no hidden fee prices. We do have a $145 dock fee. That's not hidden. And this is your video coupon. Corey, give these folks a free dock fee if they show you the video. That's right. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. So many dealers are hiding $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in hidden fees in their advertised price. Not us. So let's recap. 2022 GMC 1500 Sierra SLE 4x4, 2.7, 33,000 miles, factory warranty, one owner, clear Carfax. No hidden fees. Price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. 6.5 foot bed. Yeah, all the goodies. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.